today's episode of What Wig Does This I Have On. I got me a wig from ALLOVE Hair, and you just know they're good because why did they send me a hanger? I also got a wig cap, edge brush, hair clip, melting band. Now I know y'all see this 26-inch pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-plucked, everything. That's a whole tongue twister. So this is a 5x5 HD invisible lace body wave wig. I will say this wig has a lot of volume, which I personally love, but I was scared that the curls wouldn't hold because the hair texture feels very silky, but they actually did. When it comes to my body wave wigs, I like my hair to look like not too messy that it's frizzy, but like just messy enough where it's like, oh, it looks very natural and it doesn't look like I took a lot of time styling it. And just to clarify, the band is on so I don't drag my hair while I'm curling it. This is very much a glueless wig. Some holding spray. Y'all see the lace? Because I don't. Give it a little shake just to show y'all it don't move. Define my part and comb it out. I'm not gonna lie, I love the final result. I love this wig. If you want to get this wig, all you have to do is look down. It's already linked in my TikTok shop. Go crazy.